Hi, this is Becky with Icing on Top Becky's Cakes, and today I'm going to show you how to pipe sunflower on a cake. This is the 259 tip, and it just takes one pipe right in the center. And this is a 366 leaf tip, and we're just going to pipe with yellow, the petals right around it, and touching the cake as we go so that it sticks to the sides. And then we're going to do little ones right over the top of our long ones. And it's simply that easy. Once in the middle, and then petals all around. And I also Sweet Apolita's matte green sprinkles to add a little bit of greenery and make it really easy. So that's how you do the simple, easy cake. And I wanted to just show you a quick tutorial today so that you didn't have a long one that you had to sit through. But if you want any of my long tutorials or how to pipe them on a cupcake, just check out the other videos on my channel. Thanks for watching today, and please subscribe.